Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to batch export images on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer, and some images that we have uploaded to the Photos application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the Photos application, go within your library. Let's now select a batch of these images. Let's just select the latest 10 photos that have been uploaded. Now, once we have highlighted that batch, go to File. Now let's go to export. We can export 10 photos or export the unmodified originals for 10 photos. Let's click the top. Photo kind, JPEG, quality maximum, profile most compatible, size full. File naming, use title, subfolder format none. Click on export. And then this should allow us to, let's just now go to the desktop, create a brand new folder, and call this 10 images, create, export. On top, we can see the export bar that's now been exported. Go to a new desktop, go to 10 images. Let's change the view to icons, increase the size of the Finder window. And there we have that batch export done within seconds of the images that were uploaded to the Photos application. But now we have transferred that batch to a new folder on the desktop. Let's now quit Finder. Let's now quit Photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.